Hello, dreamers, and happy Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, June 4th, 2020. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. All right, so today, make sure you tell someone at home something awesome about your week and read our morning message to learn about the word genre. I thought it was really interesting because we are learning a different type of genre from fairy tales these past 2 weeks. So read a little bit about this word and where it came from. Let's jump in and find out about our day. All right, today is Wednesday, so we have our lessons here. Hopefully by this time you've already printed this out to help you navigate your assignments. Today is Limbo Luau, so wear something tropical and have a limbo competition with your family. All right, our students of the day are, drum roll, da, 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 oops, Jackie and Braden. Woo! So make sure you click here and leave your comment to give a shout out to our students of the week. Congratulations, guys. We have our optional Flipgrid. Remember, this is something that you don't have to do, but if you're someone who likes to listen to read alouds and learn new information from new books, check out this awesome book called Charlotte's Web. Reading today, we are going to watch a teacher video about fractured fairy tales here at this link. Then you're going to check out this interactive activity. For credit, make sure you take a screenshot of the changes you make to the story, print out the changes, or give it a second. An optional activity is actually practicing writing a story. So today you don't have to write a story, but you're going to make changes to a story that they give you, whether it's Jack and the Beanstalk, Little Red Riding Hood, or The Princess and the Pea. So you're going to make the changes to the fairy tale to make it a fractured fairy tale. You do not actually have to write your own story because today you're going to be planning a story using the Story Mountain, which can be found either on Google Classroom or you can print a copy and send me a picture of it. You're going to either watch a video if you need to review how to use a Story Mountain. There is a anchor chart here to help you of ways authors adapt fairy tales. So we have they change the character. Sometimes they change the events in the story. And sometimes they change the motivations in the story. So those are some examples of how you can adapt your story. You must include at least 2 transitions in your Story Mountain to help you. If you click transitions, there will be a Google presentation with different transition words to help you out today. Math today, you're going to be watching the teacher video by Mrs. Traverson on 8.3 about factors. You're going to possibly need this multiplication division fact table, page 259, while watching this video. Make sure you complete this. Send me a picture of your completed work and complete your exit slip. Play factor bingo after you have completed your work. And last but not least, for our mandatory lessons, assignments for today, you're going to be making a online travel brochure of the country that you have researched. You're going to go here to see an example. Once you pop it up, you will see my example of Italy. Yes, I know I researched Ireland, but I also researched Italy. So I have my travel brochure, my front cover. This is actually my back cover because if you fold a brochure, it's actually folded like a tripod. So it kind of folds in together. So this is the front. This would be the inside flap that you first see. And then you have all of the information here on the inside of the brochure. So I have history, a picture, and I would add a text about the picture. Food, add a text about the food. I have places of interest, so I have a bunch of different interesting places to visit in Italy along with a picture. Some sports in Italy, and I would add a text. And you were right about the culture, and I would add a text. So you are going to be doing that for your own country, and you're going to be starting it today. I don't expect the whole project to be done in one day. You do have multiple days to do this. You have 3 days to complete it. You're going to use Google Classroom if you would like to use a digital copy of it. Here you have some tips and tricks to how to insert text into your Google Slides and how to insert images. So these tutorial videos should help you. If you would like to print a copy of it, you can always click this link here and you can print your copy at home. Just in case you forgot your country, here they are. Hopefully by now you have it. And we talked about this in the Zoom meeting. Hopefully some of us are completing this assignment of creating a oven for roasting some marshmallows or s'mores, really, not just marshmallows, because s'mores are chocolate and graham crackers, all the good stuff. So make sure you gather your materials that you need. Follow the directions. I know some of us are asking, well, how do I make it? The directions are located right here in the link to make your s'more oven. Look at the weather. You will need a very sunny day. Today probably, well, I'm making this video on Tuesday. Today wasn't the best day. I'm not really sure what Wednesday's weather is, but I know Thursday's supposed to be beautiful. Put your oven outside in the sunlight for at least 30 minutes. Make sure you check it every 15 minutes. Feel free to leave it out longer if needed. If you like a really melted s'more, you can do that. Eat it, share, and enjoy. So that is all I have for you today. Remember to work hard, be kind, shine bright, and I will see you next time, boys and girls. Bye.